Hi guys, welcome to Learn the Persian channel. In this channel with my friend Muhammad, we teach you the Persian language completely. We will show you 2 long videos on Saturday and Tuesday and short videos on all days of the week. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's go! Learn about introducing someone and introducing yourself to a person you never met. Dialogue.
هاکان، با همسرم آشنات میکنم. این همسر من مروه است.
Hakan, let me introduce you. This is my wife, Merve.
مروه سلام، من هاکانم.
Merve, hello, I'm Hakan.
سلام هاکان، برا از شما زیاد تعریف کرده. هم دوست کاری هم دوست نزدیک برا هستید، درسته؟ از آشنایی با شما خوشبخت شدم.
Hello, Hakan. Bora has talked a lot about you. You are Boro's colleague and friend, right? Nice to meet you.
در نهایت آشنا شدیم. منم خوشبختم.
Nice to finally meet you too. Lesson vocabulary.
خیلی خیلی
Lot. Many.
دوست نزدیک دوست نزدیک
Close friend.
تعریف کردن تعریف کردن
To mention. To tell about something.
آخر آخر
End. Final. Last.
آشنا شدن آشنا شدن
To meet. To know.
همکار همکار
Colleague. Guys, lesson is over. Now let's practice in the comments.